Hi guys, this is a short video on how to calibrate your drone. This is a Vivitar Aero video drone, and let's just get straight to it. The first thing you do is to turn it on, and once you turn it on, you see the lights are not solid, they're blinking. And then you turn your remote on. Once your remote control is on, you push the left control stick. I just want to make it easy, the left one, up and down. As soon as you do that, you'll notice that the lights underneath are now solid, and what that simply means is that your remote control has been synchronized and it's ready to fly, and it's also in the GPS mode. Thereafter, you have to calibrate the drone's internal gyroscope, and it's very simple. All you do is you take both sticks, you pull it towards your left side and down. So left and down. Hold that for about 3 seconds, and then you release that, and then that's all you do with that. And then after that, there is this calibration button that is on here. You push that, and once you push that for about 3 seconds, you find that both the lights underneath are now blinking. So you come to your drone, you have to rotate it 3 times clockwise. So the red is on here, so we have to go 3 times. That's 1, that's 2, and that's 3. Once that is done 3 times, then you put it up sideways and then turn it 3 times clockwise as well. That's 1, 2, and 3. And you see that the lights are now solid. That means the job is done and you're ready to fly. Okay, so that's simply how you do it. That's the test fly. And as you can see, it's very stable. I don't have to hold it, I don't have to do anything. It's very stable. I can move it forward. That's up, down. Sorry guys, I'm trying to videotape with one hand and control with the other. So that's how you calibrate your drone. Please subscribe, leave a comment. I'll be happy to respond to any comments or any thing you all have to say. Thank you, and see you on my next video.